Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain about how to use the multi-choice input. So far we've seen text input, number input, and how to pass the argument to the dialog and how to get the written value confirmation dialog. So next we are going to see multi-choice. For that I'm not going to add any trigger mechanism here. Instead of here we are displaying welcome to input types bot or send input types to start text and number. Instead of this, I'm going to add the multi-choice. So we are going to display text and number confirmation. So instead of typing in the web chat, you can just click the choice. Okay, which input you want to interested to see the demo. You just click that choice type, then automatically will in the background we are checking based on your choice. We are invoking the dialog. So how we'll implement this feature? Let's start. We'll add the new input type multi-choice. So bot response, please select the input type. So the input type we have to add it into the here array of choices. For example, text. You just type the character text and put enter, then automatically the choice is added. Here you can see the text choice is added and it will move to the second choice. If it is there, then we have to enter the second choice. So for a number is needed, that's it. Two choices needed, enough at the moment. And the list of style you can choose, okay, how the choices should be displayed to the user, whether it's a inline style or list style or a hero card or suggestion action. You can choose it. I select the hero card, and here there are other properties. You see the two or more choices. If you use this one, how the character should be separated, whether it's comma or some other character you want to use to separate the choices, you can give the option to the here. You can give maybe for example comma you can give like this. That based on your list of sale only. If you choose a hero card, then it won't display this inline separator. It's maybe inline or here you see if you select the inline, then this special character, whatever you enter here, it's come to the picture. Otherwise, it won't go. Otherwise, it won't come. This inline separator inserted the choice where there are only two choices. Okay. If there is only two choices, you can give the option also here and inline or more something like that. And numbers. Okay, you want to include the numbers also not. Number sense instead of entering the text or choosing the text, if user enter 1, 2, 3 something like that, so you want to accept it or not. If you accept it, then you should enable this option true. Otherwise, you can make it false like this. Okay. So the value once the user selected their choice, the value gets stored this property. So I stored in the user dot, let's say choice. That's it, and we'll just send the response also. User, just make sure if the user selected the choices we are displaying properly, it's correct or not. We are make sure we are using this option to display to the web chat. Okay, restart the bot again. Open a web chat. Okay, leave it this one, the first one. We have to remove this option. Welcome to input types bot. We'll remove it. Here you see the option. Please select input type, text or number. I used the hero card. That's the reason it's displaying like this. So if I select number, yeah, it's properly it's selecting and displaying. Restart the conversation. This time I select the text. Yeah, it's working fine. So now what we are going to do, the next step, if user select text, then we should invoke the text dialog here. If the user select the number, we are going to invoke the number dialog.